Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up some of the brand new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels F-Case. But before we open them up, the winner of my latest Hot Wheels car giveaway is... Congratulations to the winner. Now let's open up some all new cars. The Scooby-Doo and Batman, the Brave and the Bold Batmobile. The Lamborghini Countach police car. The basic version of the Super Treasure Hunt Mazda Refu pickup truck. The white Yokohama Nissan Skyline GTR R32. The blue Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker Cool Combi. The yellow Momo Racing Volkswagen Golf GTI. The blue SRT Viper GTSR. The green Ford Focus RS. The regular treasure hunt of the F-Case, the blue Humvee. The silver 2017 Jeep Wrangler. The red Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker King Cuda. The black and gold HW Flames 57 Chevy. The purple custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. The 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. The yellow Xperi Motors Skull Shaker. The blue Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300. So there we have a variety of some of the new Hot Wheels cars from the 2019 Hot Wheels F-Case. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.